Hadian bagi Sorkar kala menjur Thung dekat Judicial Enquiry mentang sengi Menteri Rangba Kejela Ukanrat Kanggal Sangma ulai thu bagi Sorkar kala Thung Chairman ke Meghalaya Human Rights Commission Justice di Khlieh Khlieh ya kejing toket halor kejing syasiat uba cheris te feel thank you hak step jangka khalai terik mentau benai Menteri Rangba ulai thu baya ka Judicial Enquiry haba ki AK baro kin sami pau khamtam kejing shisha kan sapau hadian namar ke Judicial Enquiry kedai kejing toket ke bakhoj basuba bat hag juga par ulong bakum kini kejing ja bat kejing let khendra kedai banya lingba jeng dobar snong bat ban rapru balada kejing toket kayat bet on salap ya kejing shisha.
Regarding the issue of action against the individuals who were involved, we have informed all the members that a judicial inquiry has been set up, and this judicial inquiry will look into all the details of this particular incident that took place on 13th, and we have asked the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission chairperson, Justice Pai, to head this judicial inquiry. So therefore, him being the chairman of the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission and also being the chairperson of this inquiry committee, it will be serving both the purposes from the human rights aspect and also ensuring that this judicial inquiry is given complete freedom and independence and full power to look into all aspects of this particular case. And based on that, we have also mentioned and informed all the members that only once the reports come into us, only when we find out the details, only then will it be able to identify who were responsible for what action, and only then will it be possible for us to take action in terms of suspension or any other kind of extreme order or action that has to be taken. And that the government is committed to doing that. But once the judicial inquiry report comes in giving us all details of the case.